What is My Challenge Tracker? It's an app created by Team Beachbody to help keep you accountable, along with your coach, as you go through your challenge group. The app is available on both iOS and Android devices. Through this app, you can check in daily to log your workouts and Shakeology, as well as your weight and measurements, upload daily photos and notes, and communicate with your coach and your group via a Facebook-style wall. You'll receive an email from your coach with a link to download the app, or you can download the app directly at mychallengetrackerapp.com. It's important to note that you must first be invited by a coach in order to log in. Once you've downloaded the app, you can log in using your Team Beachbody account credential if you have one, and if you don't, you can create one. Once you've logged in, you'll see a welcome screen with your challenge group name as well as your coach's name. Then just click on the Get Started button. On the next few screens, you'll be asked for information that will help create your profile. If you don't want to fill these out right now, you have the option to skip and complete them later. Next, you'll be directed to the home screen. If your challenge group hasn't started yet, you'll see the group start date displayed at the top of the page. If you want to complete your profile, just click on View Checklist and add your photos, measurements, weight, and goals. You won't be able to track or log your activity until your group starts. However, you will be able to see messages from your coach, join group discussions, and change your privacy settings. Your best results will come if your coach can see all of your activity, so they can help guide and support you. So sharing details with them is truly ideal. If you want to adjust your settings, click on the 3-line icon in the upper left corner of the screen. This is also where you can view and switch between groups if you belong to more than one. Make sure to enable push notifications for activity or reminders in Settings. To pick which specific notifications you want to have pushed, click on Notifications. Also, make sure you turn on Reminders in the Settings page. Once the challenge group starts, you can log your Shakeology or your workouts from the home screen by simply clicking on the Add Shakeology or Add Workout icon. You can also add notes and photos and publish your activity to the group feed. You can also log activity by clicking on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. If you missed logging any of your activities, simply click on the plus icon and add it. You can either swipe your screen to the left to access previous dates, or click on the activity, click on the date in the upper right corner, and scroll on the bottom to find the date you're looking for. If you logged your Shakeology or created a workout by mistake, click the trash icon in the lower left corner. From the home screen, you can click on the calendar icon to see a monthly view of your activity and add or edit past activity. You can see your coach's latest post from the home screen. And if you want to view the entire group discussion, select the Group tab at the bottom of your screen. From the Group tab, you can also post a message, share a photo or video, and you can like or comment on others' posts. At the top of the group feed, you can access the Group Info and Files page. There you can view all participants and any files your coach may have posted for the group. Remember, you can always contact your coach directly at any time by email or by tagging them in the group feed. If you want to filter your posts, select the down arrow next to All Posts. This will give you the option to choose Coach Posts or My Posts. To track your progress, click on the person icon at the bottom of the screen. Under Progress, you can see a chart of your logged workouts and Shakeology consumption, progress photos, measurements, and weight logged by date. Under Activity, you'll see a complete list of all your activities in chronological order. To view your notifications, click on the bell icon at the bottom of the screen to see if anyone has commented or liked any of your posts. You can also get a direct message from your coach. You can change what you see here for each of your groups by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner. When your challenge group is over, you can view your progress and add your final photo and weight. That's it. It's quick and easy to get set up. Use the My Challenge Tracker app along with your coach to help keep you accountable to help you reach your goals. Keep pushing play and enjoy.